Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. The way is now clear for the long-awaited redevelopment of the Montego Bay Sports Complex, with the news that the St. James Municipal Corporation has selected the winning bid for the 25-year lease for the only international standard multipurpose sports facility in the western end of the island.
Approximately 2 months after bidding opened for the rights to lease the Montego Bay Sports Complex in St. James for 25 years, the Montego Bay Multipurpose Sports Development Limited has come out on top. Mayor of Montego Bay, Richard Vernon, provided TVJ Sports with an update on the bidding process on Monday.
The process concluded today. 2 bids were purchased, and the submission was made by one interested party. I believe the name is the Montego Bay Multisport Limited, and they are the persons who met all the criteria. It has now been sent to review by the evaluation committee. Following that, we will get the update and the final decision pertaining to that before we send it off to ministry for final approval.
Yoni Epstein, who heads the Montego Bay Multisports Development Limited, says his entity fulfilled all the requirements, describing the process as transparent.
It's a start in a journey of us bringing the sporting fraternities back to its leadership role here in the West, where as a group we're very proud of the offer that we have put forth to the St. James Municipal Corporation, and now it was just a wait and see to see what's next in the process and how long before we can sign the lease and call it the home of football, track and field, aquatics, tennis, futsal, and all the other things that we have planned for it.
Epstein, who indicated that the bid will see his company spending just over $694 million to develop the stadium, provided some details as to what will take place in the years to come.
The first things we're going to do is, we're going to continue to upgrade the pitch to international standards. We're going to upgrade the lights to get us to the levels that the stadium will then be approved for CONCACAF matches. And the resurfacing of the track and field track. Those are the first things we're going to be focusing on. Then we'll focus on the tennis, the futsal, and the aquatics.
The Montego Bay Sports Complex, which seats 7,000 spectators, will have operational funding of just over $51 million per year. Keon Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.
The reggae